I'm assistant head teacher at Ysgol Calon Cymru in Mid Wales. I've been involved in talk pedagogy since around the middle of the autumn term, and in particular, I've been involved in the online discussions about assessment and feedback at the Curriculum for Wales. As teachers, we know the importance of literacy and of discussion, and we know that engaging in a discourse can help develop understanding. Talk pedagogy has helped me make space for that talking and thinking about pedagogy, and also how I can lead on it. We have regular online sessions in groups where there's open, supportive discussion, and there are also larger live activities. You'll find details and dates as well as recordings of previous activities in the list below. They all bring opportunities for us to find out what others are doing, to share practice and collaborate. As we reflect on our own experiences and work towards our new curriculum, it's an important time to be able to do that. I'd say it's not just about the mechanics and details of what other colleagues have had success with. It's also about those bigger ideas and the research that goes behind it. Now, while it can be useful to know exactly what other people have done, it's not always completely relevant to our own settings, even if there are things we can take from it. But an opportunity to engage with principles and the research behind the developments has been really, really useful in shaping my thinking and practice. So in terms of having that space to think about and discuss pedagogy, but also to learn from the great work going on in other places, talk pedagogy has been fantastic. It's been really helpful in my job, and I thoroughly recommend dropping in for live sessions just to see if it works for you. Maybe even get involved in some of the smaller shaping groups to share and explore pedagogy more deeply.
Hi, I'm Lucy Catherall. I'm the Deputy Head Teacher here at Ysgol for Dyffryn in Llandudno in the north. I have been involved with talk pedagogy since last autumn. I was really excited to be part of something that involved colleagues from all over Wales, but also a little nervous at the start as well. But I soon realised that my voice is just as important as others. I've joined one of the shaping groups and I've also attended some of the live activities too. In a really practical way, it has helped me shape my pedagogy in the classroom, but most importantly, helped me reflect on pedagogy from different perspectives with the Curriculum for Wales in mind. I think it's time for us all to be talking pedagogy. So if you want to find out what others are thinking and doing, or if you'd like to share your own work, then please join us, listen in, and let's keep the conversation going.